Hello, my name is Ron Pilaszek. I would like to tell a few words about physical theory underlying the Nanopowder XRD processor demo. So I would like to tell you how it works inside. The diffraction theory that allows to estimate grain size is quite simple. In a case of powders containing big grains, you will see very narrow diffraction peaks. If your grains, your crystals in the powder are small, the peaks will be broad. However, in practice, you usually don't have powder with exactly same size of crystals in it. Normally we have mixture of grains with different sizes, and therefore we have to introduce grain size distribution function. If we consider grain size distribution function, the diffraction peak profile may look differently, and the shape of this peak will depend on both parameters: the average grain size, the bigger grain size, the narrow peak you have, and the dispersion of sizes. If you have wide dispersion of sizes, you will see slightly different peak profile. It will be narrow in the middle, and will have some bigger shoulders. We were able to determine analytical form of the function which describes diffraction peak profile. It is composed from hypergeometrical functions. Hypergeometrical functions are functions that can express many of useful mathematical functions, including XRD line profile. We have four types of this function. The first describes spherical grain sizes. It is spherical grains, it is not shown here. And another three versions describe grains which are delimited by planes with three different directions. It is not really important to you how it works. However, for the time being, we use the simplest phase form of this expression. Expression may be quite complicated, however, it is analytical, and this expression may be directly used for fitting of X-ray diffraction data. It is indeed quite efficient way. You can directly get grain size and dispersion of sizes, the average grain size and dispersion of sizes. However, this approach is meant mainly for specialists. It agrees with other informations, for instance from transmission electron microscopy, very well. However, it is sort of difficult in application, and therefore we designed for you the drag and drop physics, the tool which is web-based and allows to immediate data processing. So if you wish to test it, please go to science24.com/xrd. Thank you.